Greetings to all students. Today I will teach you chapter 10, A Boy Like Me. The writer of this chapter is Geeta Dharmajan. She is a writer, editor, educator and the executive director of Katha, a non-profit organization that she founded in 1988. Her work focuses on education, especially of children from poor families. Okay. She is working for poor families. Katha is an organization based in Delhi in 1989. She was born on 19 September 1948. Now she is 72 years old. She belongs to Chennai. She got Padma Shri award also. Now I am going to start chapter. So this is a chapter of a boy who making jokes always with his friends. So, hey, have you heard this joke? I asked first thing as soon as stepped into the school bus. Then he stepped in the school bus, he making a joke with his friend. The man said, waiter, joke is this? The man said, waiter, this egg is too hard. This is a joke, okay? And the waiter said, I just can't understand why I have been boiling it all morning. So this is the joke and he is making with his friend. Now even before I could close my mouth, Gopi laughed. This is a joke, so everyone was laughing and Gopi stopped his feeling. And once Gopi start laughing and he can't stop, I know, and he has got this funny kind of laugh. When he laughs, the other laughs too. When we see other people are laughing and they are laughing so much, so we feel we will laugh like him or her. So Gopi is laughing, so everyone is laughing there. They can't help but laugh. So the whole bus was roaring with the laughter till even the busman had to join in. And all the people, all the students, they are sitting in the bus, they are laughing and this laughness is making a roar in the bus. But the busman is coming, so everyone stopped this laughing. After this, that was a good. You see, I had spent the whole of my summer reading joke books. So boy said, you know, I spent my whole summer vacations in only reading the book of joke. Today was the first day of the school after our holidays. So before the bus could stop laughing, I was out with another. He is telling his friend to him. Okay. If crocodile, this is a other joke is start here. If crocodiles make good shoes, what do bananas make? If crocodile make good shoes, so what will the banana make? So this is a joke. I waited a split second and then came out with the answer, good slippers. Okay. Now look here. I waited second and then came out with the answer, good slippers. Oh, that created a lot of noise. Boy, how all the kids laughed themselvesly. Ramu had tears running down his cheeks and his whole fat body was shaking so badly. You can understand, if you will laugh more and more, so you will feel your eyes will be filled with the tears and your body will be shake because you are laughing, so your tears will be come from the eyes. So Ramu's eyes had filled with the tears because he is laughing very much. Now he is laughing like an earthquake, as if there was an earthquake somewhere inside of him. So he is telling about the Gopi. He is laughing like so his body is shaking and this looking like a earthquake is inside of him. Now, next page. Honesty. I didn't accept them to laugh to such at my second joke. That's old hat. Old hat means, you know, students, old time. We are talking about outdated. Okay, that has been done. I told it only because I couldn't remember anything else just then. But then I surprise if you are laughing anyway. It's easy to laugh at even a silly PJ. So if you will laugh and everyone making a joke, so you will feel, you will laugh. Now next, that today is school in couldn't wait for break. That day in school I couldn't wait. I couldn't wait for break time. As soon as the bell went, I propped the joke. Then again he is making a joke. I had been thinking although maths class. It was so funny and that I was worried I would make it the end without the bursting into laughter myself. Maths class is going on and he was thinking about his jokes. He was busy in jokes. He thought he will make a joke after the maths class and everyone will laugh. So he is making joke again, and now next joke is what did the man say when he saw 6 elephants coming? So he is saying, what did the man say when he saw 6 elephants coming? I swallowed one. Swallowed means, you can say class, nibble. Okay, you can nibble. Then I said the elephants are coming, and what did he say when he saw 6 elephants coming with dark glasses on, and they are coming with the dark glasses. So by now I was finding it really difficult to keep from roaring, and many of boys were grinning widely. Grinning means class smile. Okay, then everyone listen this joke, so everyone gleaning, they are smiling about this. He said nothing because he couldn't recognize them. He said nothing because he did not recognize what he said. He is only laugh. Then, so I went on the next and the next, even though I thought Rashid wanted to say something. After some time, he thought Rashid wanted to say something to everyone. I excused in the last one before the teacher time came. Excused means whisper. Okay, he was whispering in my ear, and when the time was the teacher's coming. That evening, I skipped through my homework double click. If I wanted to tell joke the next day, I had to read them really well. So he want to make joke again. So he thought he will read the book again and he will prepare his jokes to tell his friends. So he was reading the books double to prepare himself for making a joke. So they would say fresh in mind. So I will tell the joke to my friends with a fresh mind, and at the dinner I tried out my best on Appa and Amma. Okay, he thought I will read the book again and then after I will prepare my jokes, and at the dinner time I will tell all the jokes to my Appa and Amma. So I will prepare myself practically also. So he is making a joke at the dinner bench. How can you drop an egg 10 feet without it breaking? Appa grunted. Amma looked up. I knew I had got their interest. You do. Appa grunted. Amma looked up, and I I knew that I had got their interest in the joke. Just then my kid brother means his little brother, bubbled, gurgled. Gurgled means you can say when you swallow with the sound. Okay, you are eating something and you are swallowing something and your sound is coming with this. The mashed rice and rasam splattered out his mouth and in a wink. In a wink means class, instant. Okay, instant. And splattered means when you will laugh loud, so one water balls will come out from your mouth. This is a splattered. Okay, so they are splattered. Chili. Little palm on the mess on his high chair, pachak. And this is make a sound on a high chair. That sound is pachak. No, naughty, said Amma with a laugh. Mama laughing and said this. Bubbles glared again, and little boy and little brother bubbled. Bubbles glared means smiling. Swallow with the sound again, and my joke was lost, and my joke has been destroyed. You want to hear my joke again? He asked to his family. You want to my joke again? Because his kid brother has doing something that is guggled means he is eating something and he has a sound and he is spit all the things of his mouth, so his joke was destroyed. So he want to making joke again, so he is asking to his parents, says, you want to hear my joke again? Not now, Kanna, said Amma. Amma said to him, no, I don't want to listen it. Okay, so she fused over Bubbles some other time. So he thought he will tell this joke next time. Now next, during lunch break. Okay, now lunch break is going on. Rashid started with, when does an elephant? Rashid started with the elephant jokes, and I know a good elephant joke. He said to him, I know good elephant jokes. Rashid is asking about the elephant jokes, so he is giving the reply that I know very good jokes about elephants. I said before he could say any more. He said, I know, you say. Why did the elephants get thrown out of swimming pool? Because they couldn't hold their trunks up. Okay, why did the elephants get thrown out of the swimming pool? Because they couldn't hold their trunks up. The boys were hanging on to every word. The laughing their heads off, I relied of another jokes. Now that day, while going home, Ramu said, you know you are being a hog. Hog means class. Hog means, hog means pig. You know pig? So pig and hog is the same. Okay. Now Ramu said, I know you are hog. Being a hog. Next, I was surprised. He said, a hog me. I was surprised. I don't you let Rashid tell this joke. Why don't you let Rashid tell this joke? He want to. But this joke are such please. I said heatedly. Heated means feeling angry. When Ramu said Rashid that you are being a hog, so he was angry because he is feeling hog. You are saying me hog, so he was angry. Still, muttered Ramu and left it at that. And then after Ramu left it, but after a week of my best joke, I noticed a funny thing. Then he thought about his joke and he feel that he is ready for the next joke. So talking of calls. Okay, calls means the baby of cow. Okay, he thought he will talking about the calls. I said after our science teacher. He is telling to his science teacher had talked and talked for a solid hour on muscles. He was talking about the solid. She was talking about the solid hour on muscles. You know what the moron? Moron means a stupid person. Okay. Do you know what a moron asked? Teacher, when I grow up, will the calves on my legs turn into cows? So he says, when I grow up, teacher, he was moron asked means a stupid person asks a question to the teacher that when I grow up, when the calves on my legs. So the baby of the cow will be on my legs and turn into cows. So I will turn into cows. No one laughed at this joke. Ramu next to me was busy looking for something in this bag. But Ramu was sitting with me, but he was busy in looking something in his bag. So I sort of guessed that he was just pretending. And wonder of wonder, Gopi was actually reading his science book, and Gopi was actually reading the science book. So now no one feel this joke. Everyone was busy in reading, and only this boy is making a joke to the teacher. Hey Gopi, now in this line, hey Gopi, tell me which is the laziest mountain in the world, I asked. He asked to Gopi, tell me what is the laziest mount? No one knew the answer. So I said, nobody is giving the reply. So he said himself again that is the mountain is Everest. So he said laziest mountain is Everest. I said it Everest, so that I would really understand, but I think I waited too long to say it. The answer sounded pretty weak even to me, and no one even smiled. And there he is making jokes again and again, and he was not enjoying his jokes, so they are not giving reply on the joke. So he is feeling nobody is smiling on my jokes. That evening I got into the school bus to go home. He was noticed that everyone is busy in the school bus. He found that the only seat left was the one next to the busman. Only one seat is left with the busman, and everyone sitting with each other, and only one seat is left for him. I heard Ramu mutter and under his breath to Gopi, thank God, I mean jokes are okay, but if I hear one more, I will have heard enough to last me my whole life. He was become such a show off these days. Show off means a person who boasts about his or her things. Okay. Now everyone was feeling awkward by jokes. So everyone has left the friendship to him, and everyone was busy with each other. So every friend was making other group and left him, because he is making a joke very badly, because he is making joke on the friends. He is using the bad words for the friends, so everyone left him. Now, and the next morning there was empty seat next to anyone. And next morning there was no empty seat. So everyone was sitting with each other, but no one want to sit with him. So everyone left only seat for him. Ramu, who gets in just before me, was sitting squashed up next to Gopi and Asutosh. Then Ramu squashed up means sitting closer together. So Ramu, Gopi and Asutosh sitting closer to left him. Hey, come and share this seat with me. When Ramu sit with the Gopi and Asutosh, where is the seat for only two persons? But Gopi sitting with them, and he has a space on his seat, but Ramu will not go there because he was not happy with this friend. So he come and share this seat. I called out, okay. Murmured Ramu, I am okay here. And Ramu gave reply, I am okay here, I will not come with you. So he was sitting with the Gopi and Asutosh, but he will not go there. Now next. Funny, very funny. So they don't want to sit next to me. Funny, very funny means he feels I am very funny, but nobody wants to sit with me because I have some problem in my jokes. He was feeling this. Okay. So what? They are just jealous of me. He thinking they are jealous because I have lots of jokes, so they are feeling jealousy with me and they don't want to sit with me. They are just jealous me. He thought this. Okay. I was silly of them to sit beside me just because they didn't know jokes as I did. He feel I have lots of jokes and my jokes are very good, so they are jealous. They are feeling jealousy to me, so they are not sitting with me. But I know I have very good jokes. He is feeling like this. But that day in school was awful. But on that day, school was very bad day of the school. It's no fun having lunch with a room full of boys who don't even know you are there. In a lunchtime, everyone was there, but no one was talking to him, and he was feeling lonely in the lunchroom. I don't care, I told myself, but all the same, I had a lump in my throat. He was not feeling well because he was alone in the school and nobody is talking to him. So he is feeling bad. Okay, and so he has lump in his throat. Why don't they come up to me and say, look, we don't want any more jokes and nobody is coming with me. And so I am thinking I will not make joke more, and I am not going to keep saying them I am stupid, and I will not say to my friends that I am stupid. I wanted to badly to say, okay, come on boys, I won't crack jokes if you don't want me to, but please let's stay friends. But the words stuck in my throat. He wanted to say sorry to his friend, but he did not say to friends because he is feeling like this, but he did not want to say these words to his friends. He want to keep friendship with them, but he is not going to say sorry. He feel he will not make jokes with them, but he is not going with them because he is feeling bad. And he is realized that he was not good to make joke on friends. This is a bad habit. He is realizing this. Okay. But he is not say sorry to his friend. Now next. That night I couldn't eat properly. On that night he could not eat properly because he has not good feeling. Students, because every friend is not talking to him. I kept thinking of the day in school about not being taken in the French chicken team, about the boys talking and laughing and stopping when I came in about. they are talking with each other, they are playing with each other, they are laughing with each other. But when I came there, everyone stopped these feelings. So he was very upset. Are you hungry? Asked Amma. Amma asked me, are you hungry? Stopping the between feeding my brother. When he was feeding his brother, so he is asking a question to him. Have you been eating in the dirty dhaba and got yourself a stomachache? What? You have eaten something in the dhaba, so you have a stomach? Asked Amma. Actually, no, I shook my head. Shook means you can say shake. His head is shaking. Okay, my head. Sure. Amma is asking sure. Yeah, she asked. She looked closely at me. She come close to him, then bent across the table to put her finger on my forehead. Then after he was putting his hand on the head of him, and he is giving feeling better. I just had time to shake my head and dash off. Dash off means to leave a place quickly before the tears started coming. And then after his tears coming out from the eyes, because he was not feeling well and he feel sad for his friend, so his tears coming out from the eyes. Now crazy imagine crying. I was lucky I had my own room. He feel my own room is here, so I can weep here if I want to weep, because he has not feeling well, so he want to weep alone. But a moment after I had snuggled means get comfortable position. Okay, after some time he get comfortable position into bed. Amma came and sat by me. She came and sat with him and want to tell me, she asked quietly, and I did. She sat there, listened without saying a word, stroking the seat on top of me. She was coming with me, his mother coming, and said, tell me what happened, beta. This type of words she is telling to his son. And at last stopped, and there was silence for some time. But he is not giving any reply to his mother, and so there is only silent and nothing is there. I suppose it could get boring listening to joke every day. He thought, every day when I will make a joke for my friend, so this will be boring. Okay, if you will do a work again and again, so you feel this is a boring work. If you that will be interested, but if you will do this again and again, so that work will be boring. So now he thought that I will not make a joke again and again, because everyone is feeling bored, so I will not make again joke. She said slowly, as she was not sure that was the right thing to say. And his mother saying, this is the right thing, you will not make joke again, so you will feel better. Now especially if you yourself don't get a chance one in a while. No. Now next, I nobbled. I knew this already. Perhaps you should tell your friends you are sorry. His mother said, you will say sorry to your friend, then after everything will be good. Laugh at yourself for having been such a big show off. And when you will feel laughing is a very bad habit every time, so you will feel sorry to his friend, and then after everything will be clear with your friends, and they will make you friend again. I glubbed noisily. Glub means eat fastly. Then after he was feeling better, so he ate fastly. But she didn't go at once. She sat there and soon we are talking. And she did not go anywhere. She sat with him and talked for many times. I just like old times when I used to tell her all that happened in school. Then after he told all the things of the school to his mother every night. Then we talked of Bubbles, what a clown he was. I just beginning to feel nice and sleepy when I heard Amma ask, what would you call 5 bottles of lemonade? Class. Then after he was telling all the things of his school. Then after he was feeling that he want to sleep, then he said to his amma that can you call me 5 bottles of lemonade? Flash went the answer in my head. I pop group. Okay, so this is the answer of this pop group. Good for you, said Amma. Amma said this, good for you. She bent down to kiss me good night. Then after she giving a kiss to him and as fell off to sleep and said good night to him and go, and then went. I promised myself on that night. He promised himself that he would sort things out in school first thing in the morning, and it was not as difficult as thought I would be. Now when he feel one work if we will do again and again, so everyone will feel bored, so they will left him. So he thought he will not make joke again and again, and he will not give anything that feels bad to him. So he thought he will say sorry to his friend. Then after he will not do this again. And when he will say sorry, so this is not a difficult word, so he can say sorry. And now this chapter has been done, class. I think this is a good chapter, and if you feel when you are doing a work again and again with your friends, so your friends will be irritated to you and they will not make a friendship long. Okay, so don't do this and make your friendship forever. Thank you, class.